You would think that if the handle is on the left side of the door, that it's a left-hand door, but that would be too easy. The first time I tried to order doors, I ordered all of the wrong handings and swings. At Steve's, we know that this is not an uncommon issue for our customers, so let us give you a hand. Here's how to check the door's handing. First, open the door. Stand with your back to the jamb of the door. Now, which hand do you reach for the handle with? This is a left-hand door. You can sometimes see that abbreviated to LH. Let's do that again. First, open the door, stand with your back to the jamb, and reach. This is a right-hand door. Double door, no problem. Just stand with your back to the jamb of the active door and reach. This is a right-hand in-swing. If your exterior door swings outside, then it's an outswing door. The only time you really need to know the swing for an interior door is if it has a specific etching or design on the glass like this pantry door does. Determining your door's handing and swing are important when you need to buy a new door. You need a new door for your home build or renovation? Check out Steve's Doors at Home Depot.